How to share a YouTube link. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to copy a YouTube link. Whether you're using a computer or a mobile device, I've got you covered. Let's start with how to do this on a computer. First, open the YouTube video you want to share. Then, click on the URL in the address bar at the top of your browser. Once it's highlighted, right-click on the URL and select Copy. And that's it. Now the link is copied to your clipboard and you can paste it wherever you need. So, whether you're on your computer or phone, copying a YouTube link is super easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.